Okay, so it is raining like hell right now. I'm home by myself tonight, and I'm just chilling in the living room, playing some video games and watching some movies and just chilling. And the power goes out, and I keep hearing noises like stuff scratching on the windows and like on the ceiling. And I open the door, and this shit is happening. What the hell? It is raining so goddamn hard that it is slowly tearing the house apart. Or at least that's what it sounds like it's doing. It's like super fucking... It's loud, and it's like... I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but like, there's something scratching against this window over here. You hear that? You hear that shit? Holy shit. Everything out here is soaking wet. This is an enclosed space. It's sopping wet. What the fuck? Dude, it's fucking going crazy. Like, I was at work earlier today, and it was raining a little bit. I mean, at first it was just sprinkling, and then it was like full on like fucking thunderstorm. And it was raining a lot. It was really bad. But not nearly as bad as this. What the fuck? Yo, you see that thing over there? I don't know how well you can see it, but the wind is like making it move. It's like, oh my god. Like, I've been meaning to shower tonight, so I might as well just fucking come out here with a bottle of shampoo. Just kidding, I would never do that, but seriously, it's like, what the fuck? It's fucking flooded. Okay, I'm going back inside. Fuck that. I'm not going back out there. There's a part of me that like really likes rain, and I really want to go out there and just like roll around in a puddle or something, but not when it's raining that goddamn hard. Like, I am soaking wet just from standing in the fucking back porch. So I have my flashlight, obviously. I've got a couple of candles here. I have one of them lit that's not really doing anything, and I got a couple more on the light, especially this red one over here. I don't like this red one because it smells like cinnamon, and I don't really like the smell of cinnamon, but these two yellow ones that I brought in from my room, they don't work very well. But, yeah, I might lose power tonight, so I'm just gonna chill in the dark and play on my DS and play some offline video games and not really do anything. My phone's covered in water droplets, but I'm actually kind of scared because I was at Walmart earlier this morning when it started raining before I went to work, and it was like thundering really badly, and it was so bad that everyone at Walmart was commenting on how strong the wind was and what was going on outside. I was like shaking the building, so I really don't want my house to collapse. And again, I'm by myself, and I already don't really like thunderstorms, but this is ridiculous. So I'm just gonna sit here and chill and not really do anything, because I'm fucking scared. At least I had something to eat before the power goes out. I'm starting to get hungry again because all I had was a little snack thing. And you can see the DVR over there. It's recording stuff. And the recordings keep getting messed up and interrupted because of the storm. Oh my god. What am I gonna do?